Hey fireworks fans, Adam from Pinnacle Fireworks with you today. I have a 500 gram fan cake from Miracle Fireworks. This one is called Serious Pyros Only. Check out that really busy, exciting looking label with all that artwork. That's a lot of pyro on there. 42 shots, and it's packed with effects. You're going to see Nishiki Kimuros, brocade crowns, gold strobes, silver, red, blue, green, crackling, really jacked, packed full of stuff, and I think you're going to like it. Check out the video. Serious Pyros Only.
Charlie loves this one. That's my favorite noise ever.
Wow! Serious Pyros Only.